Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Nigar Sultana, your maths teacher from class 2. How are you all? I hope you are all good. Today we will discuss 10.4 coordinates. Look at here in number 1. Here we can see write the coordinates for these crosses. Look at here in number A. Here is blue cross. Look at here, we can see blue cross. Now find out from here where is blue cross. Here is blue cross. Here is in B3. Can you see? Here is B3. So we have to write the answer in our copy B3. In number B, here is black cross. Now find out from here where is black cross. Here we can see black cross. Here is F and here 4. So the answer is F4. In number C, here is purple cross. Now find out from here. Here is purple cross. Here is H and 3. So the answer of C is H3. In number E, look at here. Here is blue cross. Now find out from here where is blue. Here is blue and the blue is D and 0. So write down here D0. Last one is F. Here is pink cross. Now find out from here pink cross. Now look at here. Here is pink cross and the pink cross is A4. So write down in your copy A4. Number 1 is done. In number 2, here put a cross on these coordinates B3, D4, F3 and D1. Join them up in the same order, then join D1 to B3. Now look at here. At first, draw in your copy a vertical line and a horizontal line. After that, write here in your copy in this vertical line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this horizontal line we have to write here A, B, C, D, E, F, G to K. And it looks L shape. Now, first one is B3. Now we need to put cross B3. Here is B and here is 3. So put cross here. Next one is D5. D and 5. Now put cross here. Next one is F3 and D1. F3 and D1. Now we have to join them. After join, now look at here, we have to join them. After join, we get here. Look, after join, we get here diamond. Here is the question for us. What shape do you get? Now look at the picture here. What shape do you get? It's the shape of diamond. So write down here diamond. In number B, now mark this point and join them up in the same order. E0, E4, G4, Z2 and E2. Like A, we have to draw here L shape with a vertical line and horizontal line. After that, we have to mark E0. E0, mark it. After that, E4, mark here E4. Then Z4. Look at here, here is Z and here is 4. So mark here 4 and Z2. Here is Z and here is 2. Mark here and E2. Here is E and here is 2. After marking, we have to join. Look at here, we have to join off all these points. Like this, we have to join all of this. After joining this mark, we get here the letter P. the letter P. Look at this picture. Here is a question. What letter do you get? Now look at this picture. We get the letter P. I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.